love the Taylor Brown colored contact lenses from this company, and I cannot wait to tell you all about them. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this video. It's a colored contact lens review from the company Eyevos. They reached out to me, are sponsoring this video, and sent me 4 colored contact lenses for me to try and review for you all. Here they are. The colors are Taylor Brown, Russian Brown, Taylor Gray, and Russian Blue. Here you are. I hope you enjoy, and as usual, let me know which ones are your favorites in the comment section down below.
In my dreams I see you again, on the same road we used to hide and escape. With us we used to dance to the fire, never thinking of anything else. I feel you, I need you, I feel you, you finally see me again. I need you, I feel you, I need you, you finally see me again. In my dreams I see you again, on the same road we used to hide and escape. With us we used to dance to the fire, never thinking of anything else. I feel you, I need you, I feel you, you finally see me again. I feel you, I need you, in my dreams I see you again, on the same road we used to hide and escape. With us we used to dance to the fire, never thinking of anything else. I feel you, I need you, I feel you, you finally see me again. I feel you, I need you, I feel you, you finally see me again. You finally see me again.
So, what did you think? Which colored contact lenses did you like the most? I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the company and then, of course, show you all of the up-close shots and tell you which ones were my favorite. I showed all of them in natural lighting and I took pictures in room lighting as well as artificial lighting, just so you can see how they look in all different types of lighting settings, just so you all know. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the company. I'm gonna put their website on the screen right here, as well as put all links in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. So about the company, we believe that every ordinary person has the right to pursue beauty and be different. Eyevos' mission is to bring every ordinary person unique and beautiful eyes, to bring them confidence and to shine in the crowd. No matter who you are, no matter where you come from, you can live your life in a colorful way, and that is the vision of Eyevos. I absolutely love that vision, since you know we all love colored contact lenses and we all love switching up our look. I think it's really nice that a color contact lens company acknowledges that and wants to give us beauty to enhance and definitely try out different colors, change your eyes up a little bit. Nothing wrong with that, right? So about their safety standards, all colored contact lenses are FDA approved, CE and ISO quality certified. The certificates are displayed on their website, and they also have a shipping and return policy located on their website as well. I think that's also very, very important for color contact lens companies to definitely have certificates. All of them are on their website, so you can check it out for yourself. They are very safe to wear. Now for my discount code, I'm going to put it up on the screen right here, as well as in the description box down below. There are Black Friday sales going on and deals, so make sure you check out their website. They have a lot of different lenses, a lot of different collections, a lot of different colors. I'm sure you will find a couple of pairs or a pair that you like. Now for the ones that I love the most to the ones that I didn't love the most from these color contact lenses from the company Eyevos, let's start with the ones that I love the most. The ones that I love the most are the ones that I'm wearing now. It is the Taylor Brown colored contact lenses. I like the Taylor collection. I think the Taylor Brown as well as the Taylor Gray are very pretty colored contact lenses. They are very subtle. They are very natural looking. I absolutely love that about these contacts. They are very comfortable. Once I opened the package for the colored contact lenses, I did soak them in solution yesterday, just so that when I did this review today, they were nice and clean. So I do recommend that. Soak them for about 6 to 8 hours. And then I put them in and I have no problems with them. They are very comfortable and I love them. I haven't had any issues with them. I just gave them a proper cleaning before I put them in today. So with the Taylor Gray and the Taylor Brown, I think they were very, very pretty colors. The Taylor Gray lenses were like gray and blue mixed, which I absolutely loved. I like the mixture, and I think that it blended well with my own eyes, and I have nothing bad to say about the Taylor Gray or the Taylor Brown. The brown, it was like a brown mixed with a little bit of green mixed with, you know, it was like light dark brown mixed together with a pinch of green in it. So I did like how the finish looks. Like, I like how these look on my eyes. I think they look very, very natural looking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about the Taylor colored contact lenses. Now let me get into the ones I didn't really like too much. I didn't really like the Russian brown colored contact lenses, which surprised me because I thought I was really gonna like them. As you can see, they're very, very opaque. They're very, very bright. Maybe they will work if you have really, really dark eyes, but I think that they're not very natural looking. That's just my opinion. You all let me know what you think in the comment section down below. They just didn't look very natural for me, so I think that's why I didn't like them so much. The shade of brown, though, isn't a bad shade of brown. It's just very, very opaque and bright for me. I like the Russian blue, but not so much because I felt like it also was very, very opaque and very, very bright and in your face and bold. But the shade of blue, the Russian blue, were very, very pretty, I must say, especially with the up close shot that I showed with natural lighting. I felt like it looked super, super pretty. It's like a ocean blue mixed with a sky blue. It's very, 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 very pretty. I did love the color, but I just didn't like that they were very, very opaque and bright. In natural lighting, with artificial lighting, definitely, they were just very, very opaque and bright. And I didn't really like that too much personally, but maybe you all will like it. Usually you guys like the lenses that I don't like so much. I think that's kind of fun because we all just talk in the comment section and go back and forth about which lenses we like and why or why not. And I think that's really, really cool. I like that you guys like lenses that I don't like. because then we can all, exchange and talk about what we like about the lenses, what we didn't like about the lenses, and all that fun stuff. So definitely leave me a comment in the comment section down below and let me know what you all think. Overall, I did love these lenses from Eyevos. I just love the Taylor collection more than the Russian collection, but I'm definitely going to try more lenses from them. Thank you so much for reaching out to me, Eyevos, and sending me these lenses to review and try. I do love doing these reviews for you all, so definitely check them out. Again, I will link everything in the description box down below, and any Black Friday deals or sales that they have going on, I will also put that information in the description box down below, so be on the lookout for that. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I really do appreciate all of the support from you all. It means a lot to me. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. And if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and you click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. Thank you all so much for watching again. Have a safe day and I will check you all out very soon. Bye guys.